Where is it?
I think it's a nice size.
I can't see anything, mate.
It's just down
What
there.
is it?
It's a nice size snapper, maybe. Oh, it's a big trevally.
Trevally.
It's huge. You want to get a? Hang on.
No, it's not.
A big ready,
That's
mate. You got a shot of that?
It is too. No, where is it? There it is. Bring it up. Bring it up. All right, got it. Got it. Woo.
Alright, we've got one go at this, Bob. Nice. That's a big mowie, isn't it? Or is that a snapper? Give me a look.
Nah,
It's a mowie.
fuck, I've got the video coming upside down and everything. It's a good fish, mate.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. I can't see through the viewfinder.
Ah, you got your fingers over it, probably, that's why. He's nice. What do we need, Bob?